Designing the interior of any home is easy with Home Designer. There are thousands of items in the library to help with visualization and space planning. Home Designer supports several common 2D and 3D file types, which means that you can download name-brand library items from our website and other websites. It's also easy to import colors, materials, and textures from a digital camera to create specific designs. Tools like the Material Painter, Material Eyedropper, and Color Chooser help to design and visualize. It's fun to experiment with various options to create different looks. To change the color on a wall, use the Material Painter and browse through the library of generic or name brand colors like Sherwin-Williams, Benjamin Moore, or Behr paint, and then click to apply the color. Using the Material Eyedropper, we can quickly duplicate colors and materials and copy from one item to another item. Color selections are virtually unlimited with the Color Chooser tool, which can be used to create custom colors from a digital photo or website. Furthermore, the color blending option can help adjust the color on any material. Find a material and blend the color until it's right. In this photo with hardwood floors, use the Material Eyedropper to select the material, apply the color to the design, and then color blend the wood to create a custom color. Color blending is similar to a stain. The transparency can be defined to create a custom look. The Material Painter can change wall coverings, fabrics, flooring, or any element in the design. There are a wide variety of furnishings in the catalog library to place for floor and space planning and interior design. You can place individual furnishings, use pre-arranged furniture groupings, or assemble your own to help quickly lay out a room. Furniture groupings are available for bathrooms, bedrooms, dining rooms, kids' rooms, and others. You can download these furniture groupings as free library catalogs from our website. I'll choose a pre-arranged bedroom set and place it in the room. Furniture groupings can be ungrouped so that individual pieces can be adjusted. All of the furniture placed from the library can also be resized. Simply select the furniture object and use the edit handles to resize it. This is a great space planning feature. Once all the elements have been placed, you can use the different camera styles, including standard, vector view, glass house, technical illustration and watercolor, and physically based ray trace for the most realistic view. Home Designer has an extensive catalog library of core, bonus, and manufacture items that you can download for free. You can also import 3D symbols into the program, like furniture and appliances. Download the items from the Home Designer 3D library or a manufacturer's website and import it into the design. Import lighting, moldings, furnishings, and accessories to make any room come to life. To get a closer view of sample renderings created in Home Designer, see our gallery on homedesignersoftware.com.